Now let's use PEMDAS to solve an expression. Simplify the expression. 20 minus 3 times 3 plus 5. If we think about PEMDAS, we know we need to first look for parentheses. There are no parentheses. We need to look for exponents next. There are no exponents in this expression. So we'll begin by multiplying and dividing from left. 3 times 3 is 9, so we'll rewrite the expression. 20 minus 9 plus 5. Now we have multiplied and divided from left to right. Now we'll add and subtract from left to right. So 20 minus 9 is 11 plus 5. Now we have 11 plus 5. So the solution to this expression will be 16. So let's review the order of operations. First, evaluate expressions inside grouping symbols. Usually these are just parentheses. Note, you must follow the order of operations within the grouping symbols. Grouping symbols include parentheses, radicals, brackets, and braces. For example, 4 plus 2 in parentheses squared times 2. Evaluate powers and roots. This is usually remembered with the word exponents. For example, 6 squared plus 4. Third, you'll multiply and divide from left to right. Remember, you can express multiplication by using parentheses or the symbols or an X. So this says 3 times 4, this says 7 times 6, and this says 8 times 5. Division can be expressed using either the Division can be expressed using either a division symbol or a fraction bar. To evaluate an expression with a fraction bar, evaluate the numerator and the denominator separately before you divide. So you'll first need to say 6 times 10 is 60, and then 4 plus 6 is 10. And then you can reduce that fraction to 6 over 1, which equals 6. Here's another example. 12 divided by 3 times 3. You'll simplify 12 divided by 3 before you multiply, because this parentheses here is just indicating that you'll multiply. Number 4. Add and subtract from left to right. For example, 12 minus 7 plus 3. Simplify 12 minus 7 before you do the addition. Here's another example. Simplify this expression. Well, we'll use PEMDAS to establish our order of operations. There are no parentheses, so we'll first solve for exponents. 2 squared is the same as repeated multiplication, 2 times 2. So 2 squared is equal to 4. We'll rewrite our expression. 5 times 4 minus 8 divided by 2. And we've solved for exponents. Now we'll look for multiplication and division from left to right. 5 times 4 is 20 minus 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And now we have a simplified expression. 20 minus 4 is equal to 16.